He's so cute. Oh my god. Hammy.
You want a treat, Hammy? Come here.
Hammy, want a treat? Look. Hammy, want a treat? Oh.
Alright, look at him. Okay, I'll eat a little. I guess I could have a little something.
Oh, he's
Them
so
chewing is
gentle.
the best noise ever.
They're so gentle too. He's so cute. Aww. Don't jump it in the dirty water.
Oh,
Does he
Hammy.
eat pear
I'm sure you will.
or apple?
He'll eat anything.
You want apple? Oh.
He doesn't eat eggs. Anyway, let's try. You're gonna like this. There you go. There you go. There you go. Chickens like this.